Say hello to the Snugglebundl, a must-have product for being on the go with your baby. The unique design means your baby's head, neck and body are completely supported, so they feel safe and secure when transferred. And the best part? They'll stay fast asleep. Crash tested to EU and US standards and no thicker than a baby grow, the Snugglebundl makes getting your baby out of the car seat without waking as easy as 1, 2, 3. The car seat harness goes over the baby and not the product, meaning it doesn't change how you fit the harness or compromise its safety. If your baby falls asleep in their car seat, you can easily transfer them into their pram without disturbing their nap, thanks to the Snugglebundl. Shopping trolley baby seats are cold, hard and sometimes dirty. The Snugglebundl provides a warm and safe barrier between your baby and the seat, and also means you can get your shopping done without your baby waking between the car seat and the trolley. Used and loved by thousands of parents, and winner of multiple awards, including Best Baby Product 2 years running by Achieve magazine. Find out more at snugglebundl.co.uk.